Welcome to the channel. Let's have fun. Make sure to subscribe now.
Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we are bringing a very emotional and heart-touching Mother Day cartoon story for you. So sit back, relax and enjoy the video till the end. So let's get started. This Mother's Day, something magical is about to happen in a small village. A little girl is going to discover the true meaning of love. But what she does next will surprise everyone. Once upon a time, in a small colorful village, there lived a little girl named Lily. She loved her mother more than anything in the world. Lily's mother was kind and caring. She always helped everyone and made the most delicious food. One day, Lily heard about Mother's Day at school. She wanted to do something very special, but what gift should I give? Lily worried. She didn't have money to buy anything, so she decided to make something with love. So, dears, if your mom was sad today, what should you do to make her smile? Write your answer in the comment. Lily made a beautiful card with flowers, hearts, and a message. I love you, mom. But she still felt something was missing. That night, Lily saw a glowing fairy in her dream. The fairy said, "The most special gift is love from you, heart." Lily woke up with a smile and knew what to do. She woke up early and helped her mom with quietly. She even made breakfast with love. Her mom was surprised and asked, "What's all this?" Lily hugged her mom tightly and said, "Happy Mother's Day, Mom." She gave her handmade card. Her mother's eyes filled with tears of happiness. "This is the best gift forever." Her mom said, "Lily realized that love and care are the most precious gift in the world." From that day on, they helped her mother every day, and they lived happily, sharing love and kindness forever. Moral: love your parents and show it through your action. In the end, Lily learned that the greatest gift is not money or toys. It's love, care, and respect for your parents. So, everyone, if this story touched your heart, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more magical bedtime stories. And write in the comments, Happy Mother Day.